to my left. They ain't straight up, man. Let about see. Oh, I tell you what, if personal throw a part, they go dance, man. You sing the Oreos. There he is. Reese Palmer grew up with Marvin Gaye. They shoot marbles and shit. But look, let me tell y'all something. Y'all got a treat. You go home, tell your kinfolk what you see here tonight. Because I'm gonna tell you, this only comes once when somebody else throw a party you get invited. I know half y'all was invited to ride on cool people coattails. I got a look on some coattails. All right. Enough is enough. Now we gonna have some fun. Now, like somebody said, a guy who's smoother more than the Iceman. A guy who can sing and beat this on a word and nobody can come back behind him. The guy who make half of y'all go home tonight, wish that you had a date, and wish that you talked to the girl next to you, and wish that you had one home for you. Ladies and gentlemen, if y'all waited all night and you waited just for this group here, and I love them more than anything, I want y'all to, y'all haven't clapped all night because my ears are in quote. I want you to put your hands together for one guy and his group. They have put out love. Mr. Pookie Hudson and the Spaniels.
I forgot to also mention we got Spam of the Dynamics of Periods, we got the Bell Tones, we got Cecil and Sonny over there.